Having reviewed the Wise personal account in detail, we couldn't overlook the business account. It's now an essential tool for over 625,000 businesses worldwide, helping them move billions with Wise. Designed to meet the needs of freelancers, entrepreneurs, startups, and large-scale enterprises alike, the Wise business account is packed with powerful features for managing money in over 40 currencies. In this video, we'll explore the key features of the Wise business account and address some of the most frequently asked questions. I'm Mauricio from Wise. Let's get started. Registration and verification. First, you'll need to create an account. You can sign up using the link here or in the description. During registration, we'll ask about the purpose of your business account, what industry you operate in, and what your business does. Check out our website to learn more about Wise Business in your region. For some regions, there's a registration fee when signing up, while other regions are free to sign up, but there's a fee to get account details to receive money from others. You'll see which option is available to your region when signing up. Once that's paid, there are no monthly subscriptions or paid tiers, no maintenance or annual card fees, and your first physical card is free. You can also generate up to 3 digital cards per person in your app and add them to your digital wallet. No fees for holding multiple currencies in your balance. You only pay when you use specific services, like making a transfer, converting currencies, or ordering additional physical cards. At this point, you might be tempted to open a free personal account and use it for business purposes, like making transfers or receiving payments. But this goes against Wise's terms of use, and you'd be missing out on all the extra benefits that come with a Wise business account, like tools for managing your business finances, multi-user access, and the ability to connect with accounting software. We're still asked though, should I open a personal or business account? Here's a quick guide. Personal accounts are for personal use, such as for transfers, travel, savings, or currency conversions for your own needs. Business accounts are for business use, such as if you're earning income from freelance work, running an e-commerce store, receiving money from investors, paying suppliers or subscriptions, paying contractors or team members, or managing your company expenses. You can also sync your account with major accounting softwares to make managing your cash flow a breeze. You can have both a personal and a business account, but it's not required. You can also create multiple business accounts for different businesses, but you're limited to only one personal account. If you're unsure which account to open, ask in the comments or reach out to our support team. We're always happy to help. Regarding your business verification, the requirements may vary depending on your business type and region. We'll ask for some information like your business name, address, and other basic details, but rest assured, we only collect the info that's required by financial laws and regulations. As a regulated financial institution, we have to verify our customers. It's also an essential step to ensure a secure and seamless experience for you. Payments, sending and receiving money. Now that your account is set up, let's explore how to send and receive payments and manage your money in over 40 currencies with Wise Business. Sending money. You can send either one-off payments, scheduled payments, or batch payments of up to 1,000 transfers at once. For a transfer to a single recipient, select Send Single Payment, select the currencies you're sending to and from, enter the amount you want to send or the exact amount the recipient should get. Choose a payment method. We'll show you the cost and speed of each. Choose an existing recipient or add a new one. Follow the on-screen steps to complete your transfer. Batch payments. Batch payments save you time if you're paying salaries, reimbursing expenses, or making supplier payments. Here's how to set them up. On desktop, select Send Money, then choose Batch Payments. Choose the template you need. Then, select the currencies and required information. Once you're done, download the template, open it in a spreadsheet program, and fill it in with your specific details. Save the file as CSV or XLSX, then upload it. Review the batch and pay. You can track all of the transfers in real time from your account. You can reuse your batch payment files for recurring payments, such as for payroll. This way, you only have to enter recipient details once, but you can edit any details, such as the amount, at any time. Receiving money. To receive payments, you'll need to get account details. Wise provides local account details in over 9 currencies, including British pounds, US dollars, euros, and Canadian dollars. To get account details, open a balance in your desired currency that has account details in this list. Select Get Account Details. Follow the steps, and then you can share the details with your clients or partners to receive payments. On the balance page, you'll also find quick information about estimated transfer speeds, fees, and limits. For example, here we can see that there are no limits on the incoming transfers and that receiving an ACH transfer is free. Similarly, other balances have this menu, and it's also available in the app. You can see, for example, that there are no fees for incoming domestic transfers in British pounds. Just a quick note, some balances with account details on this list don't actually have their own local details. For example, if you open a balance in the United Arab Emirates dirham and tap Get Account Details, you'll see that the account details are British. This is because your British pound account can also receive transfers in over 20 other currencies. Keep in mind though, that bank fees may apply since these transfers are processed through the SWIFT International Payment Network. These transfers will be credited to your account in the sender's currency as long as it's supported. Once you get your account details, you can also use the request button to conveniently send a payment request to others. Here, you can either select a Wise user from your contact list and send them a request, find them by email, or WiseTag, a unique username linked to their Wise account, or create a payment link to make it easier for the sender to transfer money to you. With Wise Business, you can also generate and share invoices in the currency you need in-app or on desktop for free to get paid by your customers. The invoice can be sent directly to your customer or downloaded as a PDF. Whenever you send your invoice from Wise to your customer, it generates a payment link, making it even easier for your customer to pay you. Here are the steps. On web, go to the home screen, select Get Paid, press Create Invoice. From a balance, go to a specific balance, select Request, press Create Invoice. Anticipating your questions. Is Wise a payment gateway similar to PayPal? And can you integrate Wise as a payment method on your website? At the moment, this functionality is not available. But that doesn't mean things can't change in the future. To stay in the loop on all Wise Business features, subscribe to our Wise Business YouTube channel, where we dive deep into everything related to business functionality. Now, let's talk about multi-currency balances. Your Wise Business account lets you hold and manage multiple currencies. You can keep money in your balances, convert funds between currencies, send money globally. You can also create jars to set aside funds for specific purposes, like taxes, upcoming expenses, or savings. Jars keep your money separate from your main balance, and you can transfer money in or out anytime. In some countries, you can also earn returns on your balance with Wise Interest or cash back. Additionally, Wise offers automatic currency conversion. You can set your desired exchange rate, and Wise will automatically convert your funds when the rate is reached, saving you from constantly monitoring the market. Moving on to Wise Business Cards. The Wise Business Card is a multi-currency debit card that's linked to all of your balances and automatically accesses all of your currencies when you pay. You can also create cards in a group, which separates your card expenses. If you don't have enough money in one currency, Wise's smart conversion technology picks the most cost-effective balance to convert from. Your first physical business card is free. Additional cards, for employees for example, are available for a small fee, usually around £3. You can also create free digital cards, which work with Apple Pay, Google Pay, and other wallets. Their advantage is that they're easy to instantly delete and replace with a new one if the need arises. You can watch a full review of digital cards here. You can issue up to 50 physical cards and 150 digital cards per business. At this point, you might be wondering whether you can control the access your employees have to different functions in the account, so you can keep your financial management convenient and secure. So, let's take a look at the groups within the account and how to set everything up properly. Wise Groups. Wise Groups help you control who can view, send, or spend money from specific balances. This is useful if you want to set aside funds for a team trip or department expenses, limit access to certain balances, separate funds for different business purposes. Here's how to create a new business group in your Wise Business account. Step 1. Open your main group from the home page. While logged in, you'll see your main group on the home page. To view or create additional groups, open the drop-down menu. Step 2. Open the drop-down and select Create Group. Step 3. Review instructions. You'll see an overview of what groups are and how they work. Once you've reviewed the information, click Create Group to proceed. Step 4. Customize your group. Choose a name, select an icon, and set the default currency. The default currency will be used to display the total amount held in the group. Step 5. Add team members, money, and cards. At this step, you can transfer money from your main group to the new group, add team members and adjust their permissions, order digital cards if needed. Step 6. Finalize and create. Once you select Create Group, your new group will be ready to help you manage your business finances with more control and flexibility. Key things to know. By default, every business account has a main group, which includes your primary balances. When you create a new group, any balance in that group will be separate from the main group. You can customize accesses and permissions per user, whether that's regarding what they can see or whether or not they can send or spend money. Team members with permission to create and manage groups automatically have access to all groups and can set the default currency for each one. Important limitations. Some features, like batch payments, assets, jars, and currency conversion, are only available in main groups. Also, you can restrict team members so they can only spend using the digital card from the groups they're assigned to, keeping your main group funds more secure. This added control gives you flexibility to manage company finances while staying organized and secure. Integrations and app marketplace. A key difference between the business account and the personal one is the ability to integrate your favorite accounting software through the app marketplace. This includes Xero, QuickBooks, FreeAgent, Zoho Books, and many others. You can find the full and most up-to-date list here. You also have the option to integrate our API to create smarter and more reliable payment experiences for your customers. For that, we offer a feature called Wise Platform. Conclusion. So, as you can see, the Wise Business Account puts you in full control of your money, whether you're sending, receiving, managing team access, or using multi-currency balances and cards. It's fast, cost-effective, and designed to help your business thrive across borders. If you have any questions or want to learn more about a specific feature, just drop a comment below. Our team is always happy to help. Until next time.